So welcome friends, how to remove open to work frame on LinkedIn. Okay, so let me show you. First of all, open your LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn app in your mobile phone. If you are using LinkedIn for PC or laptop, you can do the same process which I am about to share you in this video. So after opening your LinkedIn, you have to tap a laptop of your mobile screen or laptop screen, or open go to your, just you can just go to your view profile option from anywhere, while whether you are using your LinkedIn from your mobile or laptop. Okay, after this, just tap at your profile picture, then we tap at edit frame. You have two options, view or edit profile picture, and then the second option, edit frame. So tap at edit frame option, then after you will have three options: open to work, hiring, and original. So if you don't want to if you don't want to show open to work page or hiring page, just select original and just apply. Tap at right top button, apply, and share with recruiters only, remove existing frames, or remove open to work. You will have uh, three options here. Share with recruiters only, it means any recruiter who is willing to hire someone for a company will see this, but other people will not. So I will keep this share with recruiters only, and this will be done. Okay, now my profile picture is clean. So this is how you can remove open to work frame on your LinkedIn profile. So thanks for watching video, and if you want to learn blogging in SEO and affiliate marketing, subscribe this channel and watch out videos from this channel. Thanks you.